Are you looking for a rugged smartwatch that blends bold design with everyday fitness and smart features? The Amazfit Active Edge delivers essential activity tracking, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, built-in GPS, and long-lasting battery life to keep up with your active lifestyle. In this video, we'll quickly explore what the Active Edge offers and how it performs in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazfit Active Edge, magnetic charging base, and user manual. Want to grab the Amazfit Active Edge for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The 10 ATM water resistance grade means the watch can endure the equivalent of up to 100 meters water pressure. Face down the waves with confidence, like it's your own private resort. Better than any gym buddy, the Amazfit Active Edge comes with an intelligent strength training mode that can auto-detect 25 exercise types, track your reps, sets, and rest time, and summarize every exercise and muscle group hit during your session in a post-workout log. Everyone wants to be number one. Edge ahead of the competition with personalized training plans and workout guidance, powered by cutting-edge AI. Sync activity data to online communities like Adidas Running, Strava, Komoot, and Relive, along with smartphone apps like Apple Health and Google Fit, all via the Zepp app. Leave the cards at home and hit the shops with free hands. Add membership and club card codes from your favorite stores to the watch via the Zepp app, and simply show the code on your display when it's time to scan. Swipe up from the home screen to quickly see all your important information. Event-related cards, like an alarm clock, will be displayed at the top for easy viewing. Specifications. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source and make sure the watch is properly aligned. Charging will start automatically. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger. How to pair. Download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Amazfit Active Edge and press and hold the power button until the Amazfit logo appears. Once the watch turns on, allow it to complete the startup process. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When Amazfit Active Edge app appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code. Agree to the required terms and wait while the watch syncs and completes setup. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Zepp app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazfit Active Edge. See you in the next one.